All right, guys. Today we are gonna be reacting to the SU-30MK crash at the Paris Air Show. Damn, let's jump in.
Так, тихо, отойдите там, отойдите.
Uh-oh. That does not look okay. Oh. Yep. Wow.
Тихо. Тихо.
Let me see what happened. Let me see. Right here. So here's where we are before everything happened. Let's just analyze what happened here. Let's just analyze. There we go. Lost control right there. So something happened here at the end. There. Went up. There we go. You see the hump? So it went up. It was supposed to just, do that dance that the jet usually does. It didn't do it. It went like this, hump, and start losing control of the jet. Yeah, at that point, yeah, he's trying to control it. Yeah, got some control. So finally got some control. Touched, yeah. Oh. You know what's crazy? He almost got deleted, man. At that point, he almost got deleted. Right here.
Тихо. Тихо.
At least they're okay.
Тихо. Тихо стоять всем. Снято.
Damn, man.
Просел. Вот именно вот то, что это
Damn.
Жив стоит. Жив, блин. Вот твою мать. Пойдем, Сереж, он их просел, а движок-то потом подпанул. Он загорелся сразу. Загорелся, да, сразу? Пережарил.
Thankfully, everybody was fine. It seems like it. It seems like everybody, you know, happens to be saved. Wow, that could have been, that could have just gone bad, man. Right here. He managed to get some control, but again, right there. So the jet bounced it from the ground and managed to just get a ricochet to go up. But that in that moment right there, it was about to be game over. At that moment. Wow. Unbelievable.
Тихо стоять всем.
Unbelievable.
Снято.
Yeah. Right there. See, there's like a small bounce from the air. It's like it loses right there. Boom. See, he lost control there. See, at that point, it's very hard to recover. I don't know, man. I have so much respect for these things that, you know, I'm not. Let's put it this way. I'm not. I have respect for them. That's all I can say. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like always, I will see you next one.